Hi, I'm Caro and today we will create our first Homeegram together. Sounds complicated? It isn't, believe me. A Homeegram is a small program in your Homee app which allows you to control your devices at home. You can generate different actions and make your devices react to them. For our example today, we will use our shutters to close when the sunset comes. But let me show you in your Homee app. It's really easy. Just open the Homee app and select the button Automations. Now we click on the plus on the right corner. You will see a new window called New Homeegram. There are three fields: the trigger, the condition and the action field. We will start with the trigger, and here we have to select the sun position. It's the sunset without time offset. Here just click on done and then move to action. There you can see as well a lot of different actions, but we will select devices and select our shutters. Click on them, click on state and click on close. Without delay, click on done. Now you can use a condition. Maybe you don't want your Homeegram to work all days. We will click in here and you see a lot of condition modes. But let us select time. Then we select weekly. And here I select the days I want my Homeegram to work. So just select them and select the blue check mark. We will select the duration, it's all day, and from now on, without any ending time, click on done and then on next. Choose a Homeegram name, which could be shutters loft. Click on next and select an item. Here we will select this item, for example. Click on next and you can choose a group. This will help you to find your Homeegram later on more easily. Click on done and your Homeegram is ready. Now we can click on the button here. So the shutters go down. It works. Thank you for watching. Have fun trying your new Homeegrams and see you soon.